Mistplay pays you for time spent playing mobile games, while KashKick pays you for completing fixed-value tasks like surveys, app installs, and offers, which makes their per-hour value depend heavily on what you're doing inside each app. By the end, you'll understand how each platform actually generates earnings, what slows your progress in both, and which one tends to pay more per hour, depending on your task type and consistency. Mistplay works by rewarding you with points for playing specific mobile games. You install a game from their list, play it, and earn rewards based on engagement and time spent. The main limit is that your earning rate depends on which games are available and how long those games keep giving rewards. KashKick works differently. It pays you a set amount for each completed task. That can include surveys, app trials, and promotional offers. Each task shows its payout before you start, so you're not guessing what you'll earn. Mistplay per hour. Earnings depend on how efficiently you rotate games and how quickly you reach in-game milestones. Some games reward steady progress, while others slow down after early stages, which reduces efficiency over time. KashKick per hour. Earnings depend on task selection. Short surveys or quick offers can increase your hourly rate, but slower surveys or disqualifications reduce it because time is spent without completing a payout. Mistplay is more passive. You just keep playing games, but the downside is that you don't control how fast rewards unlock. The app controls progression through game design and available offers. KashKick is more active. You choose tasks, but that also means you spend time filtering what is worth doing and skipping low-value offers to protect your time efficiency. Another key difference is consistency. Mistplay tends to provide steady but slower accumulation as long as you keep playing. KashKick can fluctuate more because task availability and qualification rates change constantly. Time efficiency also depends on user behavior. Mistplay works best when you enjoy long gaming sessions without switching apps often. KashKick works best when you focus only on high-paying tasks and avoid low-value surveys. Risk and effort levels differ too. Mistplay has no financial risk and requires no decision-making beyond playing games. KashKick requires more attention because choosing the wrong tasks can reduce your effective hourly rate. Quick summary. Mistplay pays through continuous game time with predictable but slower returns. KashKick pays through task-based rewards that can be faster per hour, but less consistent depending on what you qualify for. If you want relaxed, no-decision gameplay, Mistplay is more stable. If you want higher potential earnings per hour and don't mind selecting tasks carefully, KashKick usually performs better. If this helped, like and subscribe for more comparison breakdowns like this.